Good evening. My name is Param Tereya. I am from ICT department, Marwadi University, semester 2. In digital electronics, my project is Mighty Gadget with multiple application. It's a very versatile and multi-purpose gadget. It can be used for a range of applications, to a simple toy, to a domestic and workspace applications. Here is my circuit. It can be used for a range of applications from a simple toy to domestic workbench applications. It measures time, compares light output, temperature, resistor and capacitor, etc. You can use this gadget in a number of ways depending on your imagination and creativity. So here is my block diagram. Basically, MIGMA is a resistant capacitor control oscillator that counts the pulse for a specific period. If any resistor such as light dependent resistor or heat dependent resistor connected to it, the display shows the value corresponding to its resistance. So first block is the resistant control oscillator, which is IC4093. IC4093 contains NAND gate. It will generate the pulses and the pulses go through this way. Here is a decade cum counter, which is IC4033. It will count the pulse and decade to the 7 segment LED display. So here is my circuit diagram. Let's see. Schematic trigger, input NAND gate 1 N1 of IC1CD4093, capacitor C1 and potentiometer VR1 from the oscillator circuit. In this circuit, the pin 2 is always high and the pin 1 is varying from high to low. As the input pin is low, output pin 3 is high and the capacitor C1 start charging through the potentiometer VR1. When the voltage across the capacitor reaches about the half of the voltage, when the voltage across the capacitor C1 falls below half of the supply voltage, pin 1 of the N1 goes low and the output pin goes high. Now capacitor C1 start charging again and the cycle repeat itself. The pulses from the output of gate N1 reaches counter IC2 through resistor R1. Switch S1 is provided to stop the counting manually by grounding the pulses through R1 when switch S1 is pressed. So here is switch S1 and the R1, which is 100 kilo. The output of oscillator is connected to the clock input of pin number 1 of IC2. The carry out of pin number 5 of IC2 is connected to the clock input of decade counter IC3. That it meant for a tens digit. The 7 segment output of both IC2 and IC3 is connected respectively connected to the 7 segment LED display 1 and display 2. Lamp test pin number 14 of both ICs is grounded through 100 kilo ohms resistor R8. The test point may be used to check the display. When the high voltage is applied to the test point, all 7 segment output go high and the display shows 88. Here is one logic is created to show 9 series. Pin number 2 is connected to A, B and F and E, segment output of IC3 through diodes D5, D6 and D7, transistor T2 respectively, that all together act as AND gate and bring the CE pin to ground for numbers 0 through 8. When the number is 9, the 7 segment output A, B and E are high, except the 7 segment output E, which is inverted by transistor T2, As a result, CE pin of IC2 goes high and the counter are displayed. So without wasting time, let's get back to the circuit. So here is oscillator IC4093. Here is counter cum decade IC4026BE, and these are the 7 segment LED display. Here is something complicated wiring. So here is the push button to stop manual counting. When I press the button, it will stop the counting. When the 9 digit comes, the buzzer will buzz and the LED will glow. So in the next video, I will come with the application of this circuit. Thank you.